Can you see how uneven the surface of this stone is? It's got a hollow in the middle. So what we now need to do is true the stone to make it perfectly flat so that we can sharpen plane blades and flat chisels. The diamond truing tool will help to true the stone parallel to this supporting arm. We simply apply one half of the jig on, the second component in the middle, and move it onto the stone. Now what we've got to do is adjust the height of the truing tool with the supporting arm so that the diamond cutting component sits parallel, sits flat. Can you see that? Onto the wheel. The second thing that we need to do is adjust this yoke so that when that's touching the stone, the yoke or guide allows me to move the tool either side of the stone. I can get a complete pass across the stone. Now the back section of this is what keeps the height of the truing tool consistent. So let's see how that works. Now can you hear that it stopped cutting because it's now reached that hollow part of the stone? Now I'll set it a little lower with the micro adjustment. So this time we should get one consistent pass. The slower you go, the better. You get an even cut across the stone. One more time. So let's take a look at the finished result. The machine operates by a drive shaft that runs against a rubberized drive wheel. Now the WG250 has a torque control facility that is standard on all machines, and this can handle heavy grinding requirements. However, to ensure optimum grip from the drive shaft to the wheel, it is advisable to remove any traces of oil and dust from the wheel using an emery cloth or sandpaper to roughen the surface of the rubber. It will be necessary to clean the trough regularly, and this is going to help to remove all the remnants of stone and metal that will collect in the trough. Avoid disposing of this residue into your sink or household drains, as this can cause blockages to your plumbing.